wanted to show you what exactly there's gonna be. So this first one is this super amazing gown. It is a nude dress, and it has this amazing clear stone and beading all over it, which is absolutely stunning. And it's one of those, it's a sweetheart neckline, but it kind of has a point on one side or on each corner, and then there's the back of it. It is a Sherry Hill size 2. It retailed for $800, and we had it marked for $500, but you get 25% off that $500. Okay. This next one here is this amazing white. It is so cool. Like, the fabric is so interesting and like just different. And it does have pockets, which is always super exciting. And it has like little beading on the pockets too, which is really cute. Beading on the neckline there, that illusion neckline. Here's the back. It does have a slight train, but it does have a bustle that you can pick up, so that's always a great option. It is a zipper back for both the top and the bottom. The skirt does have the beading around the waistline there. This one is a Sherry Hill size 10. It retailed for $550. We had it marked for $336, but you get the 25% off. Right, this next white one is this really awesome big tulle skirt, and then the bodice here has this really awesome intricate lace like applique all over it across, and it does have these little black stones on it, which is really pretty. The back of it is just really the same thing, nice and simple. It is a zipper back. Oh, and it is strapless. These are just hanging straps. It is a size 22. We had it marked for $420, so you get 25% off $420. Alright, so the next one here is a really nice and stunning red chiffon. Really super basic and simple, but it's really great for someone, especially like a military ball would be great for, and it has these really awesome clear stones, which is pretty in the illusion neckline here. And then there's the back of it. It is a size 10 and 25% off $200. Okay. This next one, another red. The bottom of this is like a red satin. It's going to fit you kind of like a mermaid or a trumpet style, which is really fun. It does have beading all over it. So much beading. Little cup is moved. There's the back of it. Tons and tons of beading. It is a size 14, and you get 25% off of $450. Alright, this next one here, really nice and elegant, light pink chiffon, so pretty. It does have a split on one side here, and then the bodice is this really nice, pretty, like, satin champagne shade with tons of gorgeous beading. It's got like gold and AB and pink. It's just really, really pretty, and it's got that really nice sweetheart neckline. There's the back. Super stunning. It is a size 10. It's also brand new. It's a MacDougall, and you get 25% off of $299. The next one here is another really pretty stunning one. It is this really like bright coral, almost, it's like more, it's one of the corals that are a little more orangey, but it's so pretty. And then like the bodice here has like this really fun beaded floral print, and it's got the green, the light greens, and then the more coral shades for the flowers. It does have an illusion neckline, and then there's the back of it. It has a satin belt on it, which is super fun. It is a Sherry Hill size 4. It's also brand new. It retailed for $600, and you get 25% off $400. Alright, the next one here is one of my absolute favorites. I just think it's so fun and frilly and super girly, which is always great. The skirt here is this really nice layered light pink and light blue tulle skirt, so it's a mermaid fit, and it has tons of these really awesome iridescent AB stones, which is absolutely stunning. It is a deep V neckline, but it does have this illusion fabric right there in the middle. The back is this really nice, pretty cutout V. Super stunning, y'all. It looks amazing on. It's a Sherry Hill. It's also brand new. It retailed for $700, and you get 25% off of $550. It's a size 6. Alright, this next one, always super fun skirt with like the ruffle look, and it has like the horsehair trim inside that satin. It is like layered of like navy and nude, which is super fun. And then the bodice here is this like nude with like a one layer of like navy tulle over top, and then it has all this like intricate webbing of clear stones, but then like there's little beads around it that are like rainbow colored, which is really cool. It is a two-piece fit. It's the back of it. This one is also brand new. It's a Tarani size 8, and you get 25% off $350, and it retail for $451. So that 25% off $350. All right, this next one is another really pretty one that's like looks amazing on everyone, but it's just waiting for the right girl, I think. Then this one has this awesome lace, and it is kind of illusion through the middle here, and then through the neckline. It's a jersey fit skirt, and then the back is like this really awesome cutout here with this illusion strap, shoulders. It does have a split on the side. Super pretty though. It is a size 4. It retails for $500, and you get 25% off $299. All right, this next one's another really pretty one. It is this light, almost, I wouldn't say mint green, but it is a really nice light green, and then the bodice is so beaded. It is an illusion neckline. I don't know if you can see my hand through that or not, but it's an illusion neckline for a lot of the upper part, but it has tons and tons of beading on it. And then the back is illusion all the way through here, but it does have the beading on the outer side, and it's just really nice basic chiffon. It is also brand new. It retailed for $548. It's a size 10. It's a Tarani, and you get 25% off of $425. All right, the next one here is a really nice pretty lavender. This one has the lavender chiffon, and then the bodice here is a champagne shade with tons of AB and silver stones all over it. It is a sweetheart neckline. Super basic chiffon back with a plain zip-up back. It is a size 8, and you get 25% off of $170. All right, another really fun purple one. This is that interesting purple shade, but like some people really pull this off and it looks amazing. So if you're that person that this purple looks great on, definitely come snag this up. It is this really pretty chiffon skirt, and then it has tons of like AB stones all in the middle here with that nude underlay, and then it does have kind of a sweetheart neckline, but it does give the illusion of a V with the beading in the middle, and then it does have straps. Here's the back of it. Does have a shawl that goes with it. It is brand new. It retailed for $530. It's a size 16, and you get 25% off of $295. All right, another one that is super stunning is this really pretty gray chiffon skirt, and then the bodice here is this nude with the gray lace over top of it, and then it has this amazing beading. They're like little gray silver stones and pearls, which is really pretty. It has that deep V neckline, but it does have that illusion fabric in the middle. And it is a plain old zipper back. It is a sherry heel. It's also brand new. It retailed for $498. It's a size 2, and you get 25% off of $380. All right, next I have this really awesome black one. It is a jersey skirt. It does have a split in the front right here, and then the bodice is just like super cool. So it has this really awesome like geometric look to it, and then like the beading is amazing. It has great AB black and silver stones all over it. The back here is out, and it's a little deeper, but then it has this really awesome beading right here, and then it does have 2 straps that go across your back to make sure it holds on. It is a Tony Bowles size 10, and you get 25% off of $199. So this is a really, really, really great dress for a really great price if you come catch this sale. All right, so the next one I have here, the last one I have, is this really awesome jersey fit on the bottom, and then it has like this really awesome illusion sleeves, and it goes down the sides too, and then it has like these clear stones all over the sleeves and the sides, and then the back is completely illusion, and then it has the awesome stoning all around the trim of that, and it is a zipper back. It's really, really pretty on. It's a Giovanni. It's a size 6. It retailed for $600, and you get 25% off of $320. So guys, a lot of these dresses I didn't even realize, but a lot of them are new. So like it's super awesome for you to get 25% off these awesome new dresses that were already marked down for a lot less than retail, but you get the extra percentage off, which is super awesome. So definitely come in and see us. it is amazing time to come and get your dress early. One less thing you have to worry about, one less thing that you have to pay for later on. If you want to give it for someone for Christmas, that's a great idea too. So definitely come and see us. 25% off sale from today up until January 1st. We look forward to seeing you guys, and definitely make sure that when you come in to buy your dress, you can sign yours from last year, because we'd love to have it. Thank you guys, and come see us. Bye.